Good morning, everybody. Hi,
Live
Jimmy.
with no issues. That'll be a trick.
Yeah,
You know, I've done at least 200 Zoom classes, and I still, when I get on there, sometimes it just doesn't work right. I gave a class the other day, and I could not get Zoom to work right. And I'm thinking the poor students, you know, they're having problems getting in, and I feel like, haven't they figured this out by now? And then I look at myself, hell, I haven't figured it out by now. I've done 200 of the darn things, and it's still, it gets wonky sometimes. I could not figure it out. My class started like 5 minutes late because of me.
well, it's interesting. Until you do this stuff, you don't realize that these platforms are always making improvements and changes.
Right.
And so sometimes things work and sometimes they don't, because the change they just made had a bug in it, and then they have to go back and fix it. It's like, well, today.
What saved me was that mouse that Kane gave me. I pulled out the mouse, and then it worked.
Go figure. Well, Jimmy, we're down to 23 days of inventory. Yo. We only listed 42 single-family homes yesterday. So good morning, Frank. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, we only listed 42, only 51 altogether. And we are, in our single families, we only have 3,003. And it's been a while since we've been over 3,000. Yeah, we've been over 3,000, I think, for about a month now. So, but now we're sliding again. So
well, that's not very many listings for one day. 40-some listings for one day. That's not very many. When there's 15,000 agents out there.
Well, yeah, but you probably didn't hear me the other day. There are 6,195 agents that have done more than one deal. And I needed you the other day to do the math. Subtract, okay, put 8831 and then subtract 6,195 from it.
Okay. 2236. 2636.
So 2,636 agents have done one deal. And 6,195 have done more than one deal.
Say that one more time. 6,195 have done more than one deal?
Yes, and the number you just came up with have only done one deal.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or zero. One or zero, right?
One. There's 14,000 agents. Only
right,
8,031 have done anything.
So below 8831, they did zero?
Zero.
Okay. Below 8831, zero.
That's wow. 6,168 agents haven't done one deal.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Can you believe that? Unbelievable.
Yeah. And yeah, those statistics are interesting.
Oh, hi, really. And let's see, who do we have here? We have a good morning, and we have Frank, and we have many more on there too. So cool. Yeah, so I've also added to this, I think, since you've been on the show, the non-owner occupied. So we're averaging 43 deals a month that investors are buying.
A day, right?
Yes, per day.
A day.
Average daily.
Which you did the percentage is 31% investor owned.
Yes, and 7.2% are iBuyer platforms. So 38.2% of our market isn't us. Well, not necessarily, because you know what I'm saying? Because the investors, hopefully we're selling them. But
yeah, some of them are flips, right.
Yeah, 38.2% though are not homeowners per se, right?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Yeah. And Zillow, I don't know what Zillow is doing. I'll tell you what, though, Open Door is offering a 1% bonus. I had an agent yesterday that did a $417,000 home. She got 3%, and she got a 1%, which was $4,170 bonus. She got a bonus of $4,170. And if she sells, I think 5, they give her a $10,000 bonus.
Wow.
So Open Doors is really really, and they really are at the top of the chart. I did on my stats, Alexis Rogers, who is the Open Door broker, she's on the top of the charts. George is like number 3 now. So interesting, yeah. Everybody, what's going on if you didn't know that. Yeah. And Karen is here, but she's at the airport. Oh, where are you going? Looks like you're going to the beach. Looks like Karen's going to the beach.
Or coming back from the beach.
Well, that's true. Her daughter, I believe, lives in Florida. So Frank is saying the iBuyers have been buying off the market homes. Wow. And what do you mean they're not listed? Right.
That's what he means. They're just reaching out and they're buying houses before they even get on the market. So not only did they buy that many on the market, Frank's point is that not only did they buy that many on the market, they might have bought an equal number off the market. We don't know how prolific they're being right now because they don't report those sales.
Exactly.